What if I told you that right now, you're living inside a black hole? Not just you, but everything we can observe in the universe could actually be inside one. It sounds like a wild sci-fi movie, but new data from the James Webb Space Telescope suggests it might be true. And if it is, the consequences are mind-bending. The Big Bang itself could have been a white hole in disguise. But what exactly is a white hole? And what did Webb see? When a massive star collapses into a black hole, or when the universe suddenly expands at the Big Bang, both situations are described by Einstein's equations. In both cases, space and matter are pushed to infinities where our usual physics breaks down. That's why some scientists think black holes and the Big Bang might be two sides of the same coin. Both have singularities, points of infinite density. At the start of the universe, all the matter was compressed into one singularity that kick-started expansion. Inside a black hole, that singularity still exists, only hidden at its center. Both also have horizons. A black hole has an event horizon, beyond which nothing escapes. Our universe has a cosmic horizon, a limit set by the farthest light that's reached us since the beginning. In both cases, there's a clear boundary. Once crossed, you can't get back in or out. Over 50 years ago, researchers noticed these similarities and proposed that maybe the Big Bang was a white hole explosion inside another black hole. A white hole is the opposite of a black hole. Matter can only come out, never fall in. This idea, called black hole cosmology, suggests that everything we know is sitting inside one enormous black hole, and our cosmic horizon is its event horizon. To grasp what Webb spotted, you need to understand the cosmological principle. Zoom out far enough, and the universe should look uniform. The distribution of galaxies should be roughly the same everywhere, no matter which direction you look. Every test until now has supported this principle until a recent Webb observation. Astronomers studied 263 spiral galaxies billions of light years away. If the universe is symmetric, half should rotate clockwise, half counterclockwise. But Webb found a clear imbalance. 2/3 rotated clockwise, only 1/3 the other way. One explanation is that if our entire universe sits inside a rotating black hole, its spin might imprint a preferred direction onto the galaxies. And yes, black holes can rotate. Most actually do. There are non-rotating black holes, and rotating ones known as Kerr black holes. These not only spin, but also drag space and time around with them. For rotating black holes, the singularity isn't a point, but a ring. That ring could, in theory, allow for a rebound in the form of a white hole, which from the inside would look exactly like space expanding the Big Bang itself. If true, this would mean our universe was birthed from a white hole inside a spinning black hole. And since black holes exist inside our universe too, each could spawn another universe inside it. You'd essentially get a family tree of universes, where those capable of making more black holes survive the longest. Evolution, but on a cosmic scale. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Science demands caution. The galaxy spin study only looked at a few hundred galaxies out of trillions, and small observational biases could skew the results. The patch Webb examined is, on the sky, no bigger than a pinhead held at arm's length. We'll need much more data before drawing final conclusions. Still, the idea is not just fantasy. The math supports that it could be possible. And if it's real, it reshapes how we think about cosmology and reality itself. Imagine living inside a black hole, while countless other universes bloom inside countless others. The truth could be far stranger and far grander than we ever imagined.